Okay, now we have the main burner on. I got a smoke pen in front of the inlet to the burner tube, and you can see the smoke's drawing in nice. Okay, now when the blower comes on, if the heat exchanger is good, it should not affect the burner tube from drawing in the smoke. If the heat exchanger is cracked, it's going to get air from the blower and it's going to force smoke out of the tube or disrupt that. So we'll wait till the blower comes on and we can tell how bad it is here. And all these burner tubes are roughly the same. They're all sucking in smoke here, you can see. Okay, put it back in the middle here. Okay, look at her smoke now. It's going all over the place. It's actually blowing out of the burner tube instead of sucking air in that it needs for combustion. So this heat exchanger has a very big crack in it. Smaller crack, you might not see this much disruption. But this one here is pretty obvious.